Let us see, Tino.
Where is it, Daddy?
Don't judge us. It's been a rainy, sick day. So my girl Jo is still in her PJs. They already got them. Why you being shy?
Get up here.
Say, come on, Bo.
Come on, Bo.
Oh, man. All right, Manny. Let's see. I want to see you jump. Glad we got this here hole.
Huh?
Perfect for watching you jump. Hey, somebody came to join you. Man down. Tell Bo to jump. If you can't tell, Cam has been cooped up inside due to the rain. Bubba's sick. And he is out getting it. Joe, you trying to jump too, Mama? Go, 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 go. Don't judge us. It's been a rainy, sick day. So my girl Jo is still in her PJs. They already got it. That's okay. Better watch out for them feet, Cam. Them long legs.
Fish, watch out.
Go, Jo, go.
I saw his body.
Better watch out for the alligator. Is Bo an alligator?
Yeah.
Go run around him. See if he gets you. You got him.
Oh, I did.
Oh, Joe down. That's Joe's new trick. Jojo, we may get some more rain. Cammy, look at them clouds. Think it's gonna rain again?
No.
You don't?
No.
Oh man, it may. What, you don't want it to rain?
No.
Why not?
Hi.
Cause what? Hey, Joe. Oh, face plant. Get up, Mama. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Oh, Joe girl. Good hurdle, Cam. Joe, you gotta be careful. Girl, you being silly on there. Ants too. But crickets, man, we finally got some rain. Crickets are out and about. Oh man, Mama's gonna be upset about all these ants. Look at all the crickets. I don't know, maybe the rain was just too much for them. They had to get up and out. I don't know. A whole lot of crickets. We've been plagued. Look at the baby Jojo. Look at it. More crickets, more ants. They're everywhere. Crazy. We got rain. A lot of it. Over 8 inches overnight. A lot. These were the biggest cracks. Good job, you closed it? Good job, Manny. These were the biggest cracks in our yard. Now you see a couple small cracks they're filling in. Plenty of rain. Soaked it up. Took a while to soak it up, but it did. The cracks are going away. Let's go. See the chickens over here loving life. I actually locked them up last night because I knew there was a chance of rain and some had been sleeping outside. So I wanted to make sure they got in and weren't sitting there soaked. Of course, when I went to go out there and check on them, there was a dozen just sitting outside getting soaked. Loving life. So I threw them in there this morning, came out and let them out, and it was pouring raining. And they all still ran out and live their best life out in the rain. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, chick, chick. There they are, there they are. Chick, 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 chick. That's how we're getting from. That's how we're getting. Everybody else is big chilling. Camden. Oh, we got a big group over there. Got some donkey friends coming over to visit. Say, what's up? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where's Joe? There's Joe. All right, we doing this, Manny?
Yeah.
Whoa, where'd Joe go? Ah, there she is. Get up, Manny. Get up, get up, get up. Oh, my goodness. We got dog power going on here. Let's go. Oh.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
You say welcome back? Say welcome back.
Welcome back. Tino have a mouth.
Bo was barking at Tino.
What's that, Tino?
Tino got something. What is it, Bo? Yeah, I saw that right now. Said Tino was playing game of cat and mouse over here. Let us see, Tino.
Where is it, Daddy?
Oh man, that thing is huge, Tino.
Get it, Tino.
Yeah, we don't ever want to see it again. Get it.
Get it. What time we had a bunny?
One time you had a bunny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One time we had a rat and then.
Oh
and
God.
then the ball,
Get it, Tino.
And then it put all the way in his mouth. And then put all the way in his mouth. Daddy put all the way in his mouth.
Tino, if you don't get it, Bo's ready. Tino is just Cadillacing. Look at this.
Look at that.
Like, okay, you're getting a little too fast for me. I'm gonna have to pounce. Bo, you ready?
Yeah, I can't see for the Daddy.
You can't see it?
No.
Watch, it's about to run up. Oh, Tino got it by the tail. I think it bit Tino. Tino, come on.
Tino, come on. Get in. My everybody just talk.
Here comes Bobo. Here comes Bobo.
Just talk.
Bo said, let me at him. Let me at him. Let me at him. Tino, get the thing.
Or just talk. Or just talk, Mama. And May is working on this.
There we go. Tino went in for the kill.
May is working
Oh.
on. May is working on get it.
I don't know if the horsies will get it, Cam. Tino needs to finish the job. Come on, Tino. That's a good boy, Mo. That's a good
Daddy,
boy.
good boy.
Good boy, and he got kisses.
Daddy, I can see for this. I want to pick me up.
Oh.
I want you to pick me up.
All right.
I want you to pick me
Hey, look at me. Oh, look at them curls. Hey, handsome.
Dad, help me.
Okay, oh my goodness. Here we are with my blondies.
This tall, Mama?
With my blondies. Say what up, Joe. Say what
This
up.
tall?
Cam, that tall. Cam, say what up. Oh my goodness, is that big?
Yeah.
Let's see if Tino got it yet. Tino has caught the
Are
culprit.
you horsey, Daddy?
Just waiting it out. Got his paw.